When you're designing complex metal parts, resolution matters. And producing small, intricate metal parts used to mean big compromises. EDM machining, powder 3D printing systems, large capital investments, or weeks of turnaround time. The high-resolution nozzle for the Desktop Metal Studio system makes easy in-house 3D printing of intricate metal parts a reality without loose powder or lasers, but with a surface quality so fine, it's hard to believe that they're 3D printed. Equipped with a high-resolution nozzle, the Studio system delivers metal parts with thinner toolpaths, finer features, with greatly reduced layer lines. The Studio system 3D prints metal parts with a simple print-then-sinter workflow, perfect for rapid prototyping, low-volume production, and research, even in small organizations with limited funding and personal resources. Bound metal deposition technology with the high-resolution nozzle on the Studio system easily creates custom fixtures and mounts without machining expertise or long external lead times required. It can help fashion and jewelry designers iterate and impress without waiting weeks for a mold. It opens the door to advanced metal part R&D without advanced hardware, safety gear, or specialized personnel. It helps companies who want to plan for the future, but start innovating today, with the ability to prototype in high fidelity before investing in powder-based systems. The Studio system with the high-resolution nozzle is where high-fidelity, complex metal parts meets simple workflows. From design to sintered metal part, powder-free and affordable. Are you ready to revolutionize your metal manufacturing? Learn more about Desktop Metal's Studio system, high-res nozzle, at desktopmetal.com/studio.